Hi everybody, I'm Dan. I have Dr. Bilski with me here. Afternoon. So I'm not really sure where to go with this one, but
that's why I'm here.
I know, and I need your help on this one because I'm sort of geeking out about it a little bit, but we're basically going to be talking about snap-on teeth. I want to back up because I know you want to just jump right into that part of it, but like in what scenario in a person's life do they even, like how do they get to the point where they need snap-on teeth? Is it a car accident? Is it a loss of teeth? Like what happens there that all of a sudden they've got to have this, this happen?
Yeah, that's a good question. Good point. Think all of the above. How does it happen? Lack of care, illness, accident, all the above, medications, age too. In today's day and age of dentistry, we can do smiles in a day. Have you heard that before? Those can be costly. And I think warrant the cost to have that because there's a lot involved and it gives you a more natural look. Brushing and water picking, like your own natural teeth,
right?
Compared to maybe always dealing with root canals or toothaches and tooth loss, and it's maybe every other month you're in to see someone like myself to pull a tooth. So another alternative option is what we call snap-on overdentures. Okay. So, or snap-on bridge. There's an old term, snap-on teeth. It's a different thing, but the simple of this is if you ever had a jeans jacket or you had to snap something down, to attach it.
Yeah.
It's called a grommet with the button. You snap it on.
Okay.
All right. So we have the ability to either use dental implants to put into our jaws that have these little grommets that stick up that we can snap the teeth right on top of, or to keep the cost down even more, if you have your natural teeth that may have already had root canals or need to have root canals to save the roots. So we basically do root canal. We can eliminate the top part of the tooth sticking above the gum so we can save the root that maintains the bone around it and then make teeth that snap on just like your jeans jacket.
Wow.
They look nice. They feel nice. You eat, you speak, do whatever you normally did. But you have the ability to take them out and rinse them out and clean them. So it's a nice option. So if you're looking at about $35,000 sometimes with the zirconia that stay in, or screw retain it's called, versus snap-on, you might be in that $15,000 to $21,000 range, which is still a lot.
Right.
And if you also wear a partial plate and it's still kind of flopping around, we can retrofit your old or existing teeth, your denture or your partial denture, so it snaps on.
That's cool.
So it's a cost savings.
Right.
Increased retention and stability, and that's what people want. They want their teeth to stay in.
Right.
They want to eat.
Right. Well, it's going to boost your self-confidence, everything, right? Just kind of get your life back.
Yeah, so. I don't know. Anybody that is watching that has had their teeth slip out, when it's very embarrassing.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's within good company that know you have that kind of situation.
Right.
And then there's just another option to take care of it.
Yeah, so that's great.
We'd like to offer that.
And at a lower cost. So there you go. Yeah. So if you guys are interested in this procedure, Dr. Bilski and his team can help you out. We'll hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.